Hi, this is Crystal, and I'm doing a lab for making Ethernet cables. So here I have my Type A cable with the date that I made it on, and here is the Type B cable I made with the date I made it also, and um, here is the crossover cable. So what it is that one side is the type A part and the other side is the type B part. So that's why it's a crossover cable. And so I have this one, but it shorted on me. And the reason it shorted was because there's two like middle parts that are touching each other, so I'm not sure if you can see it. I'll try to adjust the angle, but it doesn't seem like it's going to focus on it, but maybe you could see it, maybe not. um
Sorry.
so I have this like machine here. So this thing checks if the Ethernet cable has a connection. So there's that tab there that like helps you put the Ethernet port inside that machine. So you'll hear like a little click when it's incorrectly, and that little like cube thingy on the other part is the Ethernet. So just give me a moment to like connect it. Okay, so it's all connected now, and I'm just checking if it's there for real, but we're going to turn it on. This is for type A, and it passes. So that means that it's all good. All the connections are right. So now I connected the type B Ethernet cable. I'm turning it on. And it also passed. All the pins are in the right place. So here I have the X crossover Ethernet cable already connected. So this is part A, and this is part B that's connected to the little like block. And so I'm just going to turn this on right now, and you can see that it can tell that it's a crossover cable, and so it passes. So it's all good, and I'm just going to turn it off. So with the fail cable, the reason it shorted was because there was two like middle pins that were touching each other because of a dull blade I had with pliers, which caused the middle to touch each other. So you can see that with 3 and 4 why it's a fail short. So that's why it doesn't work. I'm just going to turn this off now, but so yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. Have a nice day. Bye.